Here's Kathleen Brenzel, senior editor of Sunset Magazine, with some gardening tips.
If you have a lawn, you know that there are times when brown spots are going to develop. Usually, thatch is the cause. When thatch builds up, and thatch is this straw-like accumulation of plant parts that makes a mat so thick over your lawn soil that it chokes off moisture and nutrients, and they just can't get down to the plant roots. When that builds up, you can take action. What you need to do is patch your lawn. I'll show you how. The first thing you have to do is get rid of that thatch and loosen the soil. And to do that, I like to use a thatching rake. And that's this sharp-tined rake that has very sharp points on both sides. And you run it back and forth across the soil, and that cuts up the thatch and loosens the soil at the same time. After you have the soil good and broken up and that thatch nice and cut and carted away, then you can scatter the grass seed. Now I've chosen a turf-type tall fescue, and I've mixed it with timed release fertilizer. This is a good deep-rooted grass that's very suited to the West, but you can use a Kentucky bluegrass in cooler areas. Now, seeding is one way to patch a lawn. You can also use sod. But the nice thing about seed is it's inexpensive and it's fairly easy. The next thing is to cover those seeds with a thin layer of organic mulch. And I'm putting compost on there, and you just want it to be about 1/4 of an inch thick, just enough to cover the seeds and the fertilizer. Then I'm going to walk on the place that I patched, walk on that soil so that you can press the seeds and the fertilizer down into the soil. Now, in order to keep that seed on the ground where you want it growing, rather than serving dinner for the birds, you need to cover it with bird netting. This is a plastic netting, very fine mesh that you can buy by the roll at nurseries. And get a piece that's big enough to cover your patch. Now, to keep that bird netting elevated so that the birds can't peck through it to get the seed, I've put stakes on all 4 sides of the patch. And I'm going to elevate the netting up over it. And finally, to get these seeds started, I'm going to mist them with a fine spray of water, just to get them started. Now, one thing you want to remember is to keep these watered until the seedlings come up, let them grow on. Don't even try to mow your lawn until it's at least 2.5 inches tall. Well, with just some careful patching like this, you can have a beautiful lawn again.